Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the Monday of the 23rd of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep yourself informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since June 20th, 2025, our system has ranked Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.18. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of -1.03%. This amounts to an average loss of -0.51% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $163.10 is breached, it could initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning for a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 12.36% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 10.39% to 23.59%. In terms of long-term projections, our analysis over 12 months suggests a negative change of 1.93%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between -13.90% and +21.78% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $142.93 and $200.17. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock price ended at $166.01 on Monday, after losing 1.03%. The Google stock price fell by 1.03% on the last day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, dropping from $167.73 to $166.01. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.15%, with a low of $163.33 and a high of $168.48. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.09% during this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be a positive sign as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 19 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $208.70, while the lowest price was $142.66. Currently, the price is 20.46%, or $42.69, below the 52-week high, and 85.21%, or $956.25, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,122.26. Google's parent company, Alphabet, is undergoing significant transformations as its search operations adapt to the integration of artificial intelligence technologies. Analysts from Bank of America suggest that this evolution could redefine how users interact with Google search, leading to a substantial shift away from traditional cost-per-click advertising toward new monetization strategies, such as subscriptions and cost-per-action models. This transition could enhance revenue potential, particularly in the short term, as user engagement evolves. Furthermore, Alphabet's latest artificial intelligence offerings have prompted a positive reassessment of its market position. With a brand new paid artificial intelligence subscription that matches and even surpasses the capabilities of ChatGPT for the same price, investor confidence is anticipated to rise, which could further increase the stock price in the near future. Analysts maintain strong buy ratings, with price targets indicating significant upside potential. Financial reports suggest that Alphabet's second quarter could reveal accelerated growth across its essential segments, including search, YouTube, and Google Cloud. The company is currently trading at a relatively low valuation of 17 times earnings, raising expectations for revenue growth amidst concerns about competition and regulatory issues. As the market responds to these dynamics, a sustained interest in artificial intelligence capabilities and impressive quarterly results may contribute to a robust, long-term outlook for Alphabet's stock, positioning it favorably for future growth and potentially attracting new investors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a buy rating to GOOG, along with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned a cautious rating to GOOG with a downgrade action. On the same day, Susquehanna assigned a positive rating to GOOG, accompanied by a hold action. Additionally, on that same day, Tigris Financial assigned a strong buy rating to GOOG along with a hold action. Earlier, on the 25th of April 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned a neutral rating to GOOG with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and assess the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Google stock indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. In the event of upward corrections, resistance levels are present at $173.68 and $169.21. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 7.78%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, on the last trading day. Volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 38 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $161.47. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically trades at a robust volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $5.15, which is a change of 3.15% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.8%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.12. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $167.73. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $161.47. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 17th of June, 2024, when R. Martin Chavez conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our assessment of this stock is negative, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Google stock a good buy? The Google stock displays several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Google will perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we expect Google to open lower by 7 cents and start trading at $165.94. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.